Hi, this is Andrew Mitchum here, the Forex trading coach, and we're joined by Zoltan today. Hello, Zoltan.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
Great, thank you. Could you just introduce yourself, please, and let everybody know your name and where you live and what you do?
Okay, so I'm Zoltán. I live in Hungary, in the southwest part of Hungary, actually. I educated as an engineer, and I used to work as a manager at several multinational companies. And my aim is really to little bit change my life, and I hope that I'm on the right way on that. I mean, I'm not really going to work too much for somebody else, but I would like to work for myself, and this work is actually the trading. And I have roughly 3-4 years experience with trading. And first I started on the Hungarian market with some of the Hungarian shares. And quite soon I have observed that I don't have the right liquidity and also the right volatility on this market, and this somehow a little bit limited my trading opportunities. And soon I changed and started to look for other markets. So then Forex and future trading came into the picture. Of course, if somebody is really looking for trading, then very soon he will observe, and I did also, that I need a good trading system, and I need also some tools which is supporting my work with this system. Actually, I did not really participate in too many courses because I have seen that on the market there are a lot of fake or a lot of scams also. And I was on the right way to find my system, which I'm trading, but I found that some professional tools I need. But when I say professional tools, I really talk about visual aids. I mean aids which are helping you to quickly make your decisions if you look to the chart. Or also you need sometimes some kind of automation. I don't talk about automated trades, but some automation which is giving you the right time, the right signals of a potential opportunity. So I quite soon felt the needy for these things, but honestly say I didn't find anything on the market. I tried to look for candle identification softwares because I found out that it is useful thing, but I didn't find any. I mean, I didn't find anyone which could be professional enough to use.
Okay.
And I was really happy because once I have seen some customers from you, Andrew, and I became interested in your support. I read more and more things also on your site and also some other sources, and I really had a feeling that you are an honest and straightforward person, and the things what were discussed and what were explained for me, it was really logical and in a manner that I could believe. So that was basically the thing, the intuition which enabled me to join your business. I was really impressed by your manual and by your system. The thing is that if your system, let's say your system shouldn't be very complicated, but it cannot be either very simple. I cannot say more, maybe it's a stupid thing, but this is what I think. So it just combines the right amount of indicators and the right type of the indicators. It's not more and not less, just what you need. And also your candle identifier, I really like it. So it is simple, it is very visual, and what I can tell again, that all of these indicators really giving me the opportunity to objectively decide what I see, about what I see. So I don't have to guess, I don't have to anticipate, I just have to look at the chart, think about 10 seconds what I see, and I can make my decision. And it is an objective decision. And this is the reason, by the way, why I trust the system. And it's very important that since I trust the system, I can consistently trade. And these are the challenges, basically, what I just told. These were my challenges so far. So far, I could not really trust the system, therefore I couldn't be really consistent with the system. But since you know the system, you understand every aspect, you really understand the deep things in the system, you can do it relatively easily, relatively with not so much effort, and that is what I like.
Fantastic. And
one
what
more
time frames? Oh, sorry.
one more thing which is very important. If any system requires too many effort or too many focus or too many attention, you will be really soon tired and stressed, and therefore you will again come out from your comfort zone, and there is again a chance that you miss the trades or you trade something else. So that's why it's important that the system is really supporting a trade the right way. Sorry, go on with your question.
I was going to ask you, what time frame charts do you like trading? Do you have any particular favorites at the moment?
So the shorter time frame is my favorite, and partially the reason for this is also my personality. So I'm quite dynamic, or I would say a little bit, maybe jumping on the things, and I don't want to change it because it is my personality. The second thing is why I prefer the shorter time frames is that I think that you need to be able to make a necessary amount of trade to really achieve the statistics. You understand what I mean?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so if I would like to have a certain win ratio, you have to really achieve consistently a certain amount of trades, and to do this on the higher time frames, for me it is sometimes difficult. On the other hand, what I also like with your course, you really showed me the effectivity of the longer term trading. So basically how you helped us to understand and how you teach the daily trades, it is really new for me, and I was really impressed how efficient. So without going into very details, but I was really impressed, and I didn't really think that it can be so efficient.
Okay. So overall then, taking the course in only a short amount of time has really helped you with your trading and helped with your longer term goals of where you like to take your trading?
Yeah, I'm absolutely sure of that. I cannot say that at the moment that I'm going to be a person who will live from trading, but because that's basically depends on me, and I know that. But I can tell that now I'm happy and I'm satisfied with all of the support which I received from you personally and from your system, and I'm sure that it is only depending on me at the moment. And that is the importance. So now it's only up to me. I cannot blame anyone. I know that. And I'm telling this because I know that no system which is giving you 90% or 99% winning ratio. But if you have a good system and you feel it when you have, it's only up to you if you use it properly. And now I'm very confident that I have this system. And honestly saying, I see it every day when I'm checking the charts. Also, I have a practice that every day I make my tradings, and in the evening I make an evaluation what I did, Yes. So I take again the chart and analyze a little bit the trades which I did, and also the trade opportunities which I didn't take. And every day I'm more and more confident. I see the same thing. I see the same consequences. So the system is very consistent, and it is something which is, you will feel very soon that it is something which you can trust really. And this is really giving you a better feeling, a better self-confidence in the training. And this is something which is very much needed for someone who would like to trade.
Fantastic. Well, I'm pleased that you're going so well, and I wish you all the best for your future trading. Thank you very much for joining us today.
It was my pleasure. Thank you. Bye-bye.